Hey y'all, so we're back today. It's just gonna be me filming today. Josh and Ethan are gonna be in the video, but Ethan's gonna be fishing for catfish. I'm going for bass today, and I think Josh is going for bass today too. So this is the pond. We're crossing the bridge and we saw a little tilapia, little baby tilapia. They look so cute. I think the last fish that I caught here was actually a tilapia. And I'll try to insert the picture. Alright, so today I'm actually using a goodie craw. And I think it's in watermelon candy. So we'll see how this does here. The last spot we went to, I caught a pretty nice sized fish on there, so we'll see how it does here. And then I think Ethan just threw his first cast.
Hello!
Show him your shirt. Does anybody else's kid watch him? He watches him every day. Who is it?
Ryan!
Alright, so we are at another spot. The other one didn't work out for us. Did it feel big?
No, he's a 1 pounder. I got a little bit of his skin on
me. Ew. The curse.
I always miss fish. And that was like, I set the hook too. I'm super fun.
At least you got some action here.
Did you see my hook hit or no?
Yeah, I saw it.
Was it good?
I mean, I don't think I got it on here.
No, like, did you
Yeah.
He like thumped it and I think like swam towards me.
Oh, so it got loose.
So it got slack and I couldn't tell my line was moving. And when I rode it in, my line stopped moving.
Oh. Damn, he spit it out. So this is just a little bayou that actually feeds in from Lake Houston. I don't know if you see it, like all the way over there. And this is actually where I caught my first bass. So this is the little bayou that started it all for me. This little spot, I had 2 bites. So let's see if one of them commits. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Sorry, I cuss a lot, guys, so I'm gonna have to edit that out. Look how fast he just leaves me. You see that head all the way over there? Yeah, that's Josh. He leaves me every time. So yeah, this is where I caught my first bass. It was intentionally, so I, was not trying to catch a bass. I was actually trying to go for panfish. I was trying to go for bluegills or possibly a catfish. And I threw in, I was fishing with the bread. And a bass ended up getting it. And ever since then, I've been hooked on bass. I was so iffy about coming to this spot because last time we were here, it was actually infested with snakes. There are snakes everywhere. And I mean, it's the bayou, like, of course there's going to be a snake here and there. But, man, I don't know. I don't know if snakes had just hatched or something, but they were everywhere. I was just like, no, you know what? We gotta go. Yay! He got one. Wait. Can you meet me halfway? Scared of the snakes. Ooh. Might as well. Oh, is that a frog? Let's see a fish. Ah! He's so green.
Tiny, but something.
Hi, little fella.
He's like really dark.
Oh, look at his tail.
Yeah, he got chomped by something.
Oh.
Cool. At least I got something. Okay.
What are you using?
Bandito
Bandito bug.
Alright, buddy. I appreciate that.
I just missed a fish right here. He was on my line and then he jumped off.
Yep, Mommy's trying really, really hard. Got one? Got one? Hey!
Finally! Oh, it's a baby. I think this is the same one that actually got away. All right, there he goes, little tiny baby. But he'll do. All right.
You want to lift or not? Can I lift then?
No, I'm gonna throw him in.
Woo!
All right, so I got one, Josh got one. Hopefully we get another one. Hopefully they're eating now. It looks like the same one that I just lost because it was right in that same area. And he jumped the same way that one did. I got one, yeah. Yeah, I pressed it.
You missed the hook set?
Huh?
You missed the hook set or what?
No. Right before that, I had one on my line. It jumped, spit it out. And then I cast it twice in that area. And then I think it was the same one because it looked the same size when it jumped. It did the same thing, it jumped.
Did you turn it on or off?
On. Okay, let's go. Alright, well that's a wrap for today.
Yep, and I'm filming tomorrow.
He wants to film, so maybe he'll film tomorrow. But we're gonna go and get dinner.
Found this.
Oh my goodness.
Totally.
Yeah.
Oh, it's definitely in there.
Hmm?
It was in there.
No, I just found it. Hey.
All right.
One.
Well, thank you guys for watching. We'll
Sorry, guys.
see you on the next video.